In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to craft high-performing email subject lines for your business. I begin by setting up a specialized assistant prompt that defines the tone and rules for writing professional, non-spammy subject lines. After the AI confirms its new role, I ask it to generate 10 options for a newsletter about social media consistency for small business owners. The results are impressive, providing a variety of conversational and curiosity-driven headers that feel authentic and human. These lines successfully focus on the real-world benefits of being consistent without relying on fake urgency or clickbait tactics. Next, I have the AI create 5 subject lines each for 3 different scenarios: cold outreach, interview follow-ups, and project proposals. The generated options are highly specific to each situation, ensuring that the recipient feels the email was written specifically for them rather than being a mass-produced template. This approach replaces generic openings with personalized, relevant hooks that clearly communicate the value of the message to the reader. To finish, I ask the AI to critique and rewrite 5 common but weak subject lines like following up or just checking in. Chatgpt breaks down exactly why the original lines are too vague or passive and provides much stronger, descriptive versions that include immediate context. These improvements demonstrate how a small shift in wording can make an email feel significantly more intentional and professional, ultimately helping you get more opens and better responses. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.